In this video, we're going to show how to set up a working area and add products so you can quickly produce cost and risk assessment sheets for your business. If you haven't yet signed up to ISSE, you can find the How to Sign Up to ISSE video in the description of this video or at the start of the ISSE playlist. To create and add products to a working area, first sign into your account and click the Hazardous Substance Management tab. From here, click the Working Areas tab from the side menu. Here you will see all the working areas you've created, plus the option to create a new working area. To create a new working area, click Create New Working Area. Next, choose a name for your new working area. We recommend a category that groups all the products you're planning to have in this working area that make sense to you and your business. In this example, imagine we have multiple workshops that deal in different sectors, and we have chosen all of the products that are used in Workshop 1. By calling this Workshop 1, we can easily identify which products belong in this working area and makes any future amendments, cost sheet retrieval, or risk assessment creation much easier. Once you have named your working area, click Create Working Area. You will then see your new working area appear in the side menu on the left. To add products, click Add Products. If you have ordered with us before, chemical products from your previous orders will appear here, making it even easier for you to add products to your working area. If you do not see any products here, you can search them manually by typing the product name or article number in the search bar. If you type in part of an article number, multiple options can be shown, such as all the size variations available for that product. To add the search product to your working area, click the checkbox on the left-hand side and click Add Product to Working Area button at the bottom of the screen. You will get confirmation of a successful addition near the top of the page. When you are done adding your products, click Close in the bottom right corner. Now you will see all the products you added in the new working area. Here you can filter the products by any way you see preferable by clicking the column headers at the top of the product table. You can also add, remove, and change quantities of product on this page. Your products are now set up and you can easily create cost and risk assessment sheets for this working area. Make sure to click the Save button to ensure any changes you made in this session are saved to the working area. For any further inquiries, please email isse@worth.ie.